Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a lead into an opportunity in Salesforce Lightning. If you're looking to streamline your sales process and move potential deals forward efficiently, this step-by-step guide is exactly what you need. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Salesforce homepage. From there, click on the App Launcher. This is the grid icon you'll usually see at the top corner. This tool gives you easy access to all your Salesforce apps and objects. Next, select Leads from the menu. This will open up the Leads tab where all your existing leads are listed. Now, find the lead you want to convert. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar for faster access. Click on the lead to open its detailed view. Here, you can review all the lead's information and make sure everything is accurate before moving forward. At the top right corner, you'll see the Convert button. Clicking it opens a pop-up window with options for account, contact, and opportunity. For the account, Salesforce will automatically suggest an existing account if it matches your lead, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. If no matching account exists, you can create a new one right here. The contact field usually pre-fills with the lead's information. This keeps your data consistent and avoids unnecessary manual entry. Again, if needed, you can create a new contact. Finally, the opportunity section is where Salesforce creates a potential deal linked to both the account and contact. This opportunity becomes a key part of your sales pipeline, helping your team track and manage potential revenue. Once you've confirmed all the details, simply click Convert at the bottom of the pop-up. And just like that, your lead is transformed into an opportunity ready for your sales team to pursue. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your leads and keep your sales pipeline moving smoothly in Salesforce Lightning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Salesforce tips and tricks to boost your workflow.